PA Bearded Biker here. We're at the Clarion Walmart, and I'm with my beautiful wife Bonnie.
Hello.
And you want to tell them where we're going, Bonnie?
What was that?
You want to tell them where we're going?
To the Autumn Leaf Festival car show.
We're going uptown to the Autumn Leaf Festival car show and motorcycle show. They also have motorcycles. Yeah, this is an annual event. Happens every year. Autumn Leaf Festival in Clarion, Pennsylvania. It's actually a pretty big deal around here. So we're gonna head uptown and see what's up there this year. Haven't been up there yet. It just opened the other day.
You could take them to the ALS parade.
I don't think so.
Couple 100,000 people in town?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks. I don't mind crowds, but that's a pretty big crowd.
We used to come every year when the girls were little.
Yeah, we did. Just a short drive from the Walmart. Had to stop and get a few things and come up here to Autumn Leaf Festival. We'll show you everything that's going on. They always have the main street completely blocked off. So yeah, this is a yearly event, an annual event. Autumn Leaf happens every year. Autumn Leaf Festival. Celebrating fall and the fall foliage here in western Pennsylvania.
Not exactly sure what year it is. Like, what anniversary.
Oh yeah, I don't know how many years it's been going on. This is 2018 now.
I'm sure we'll see when we get up here. They'll have it on signs.
Yeah.
You could bring them out to the craft show on Friday.
I'll let you do that. How's that sound?
Nah, that's okay.
You can carry a GoPro. We'll get a head strap for the GoPro and you can film it. Get some documentation of Craft Day. Now, this car show is pretty good size. We're coming up the main street here in just a minute, but they shut off the whole main street, and it's always lined up about 3 wide the whole length of the town, so the whole length of Main Street. And doesn't look like this year is any different. We gotta stop here. Take our turn. One thing that is nice about riding a motorcycle, it doesn't take much room to park.
Especially this week, it's crazy busy here.
Yes, it is. We could just pull in there to the bank.
Yep, you could.
Why don't we do that? I don't think the bank's gonna mind today.
Oh, look, they even have a picnic table for us.
Yeah, imagine that. Nice of them.
I know, right?
They're so accommodating. All right, so we are in Clarion, PA, and I'm going to switch over to the GoPro now, and we'll see you up on Main Street. PA Bearded Biker back with you, and we're up here on Main Street, Clarion, PA, and here's the motorcycle show. Take you around and show you around here a little bit. Nice assortment of bikes today. There's a Harley. The sidecar. Got music playing. Alright, I gotta switch over to this motorcycle here. Wow, what is that? Not even sure what that is, folks. It's pretty cool though, right? Thoroughbred Stallion is what it's called. Never seen anything like that before. There's some nice bikes. Wow. Victory. There's a gold wing. Wow, look at that bike. That's a badass little bike. Another Victory. That's a nice bike. I like that. Hey, look at that chopper. Oops, sorry. Yeah, these old school choppers are pretty cool. Uneasy Rider. That's nice. It's got a 4-cylinder Honda engine in it. Nice Triumph. There's some gold wings. There's an old Harley Electric Glide. Wow, look at that. That's old school. That's a... That doesn't have the year on there. I was hoping I had the year. Wow, look at this old Indian. 1947 Indian Chief. There's a nice old Harley there too. It's ready to turn 8,000 miles. (1956) Harley. Nice old Indian. Look at this trike, folks. See all kinds of things at a car show. That's cool. Those are old saw blades.
Yeah, they are.
Horseshoes. Looks like my kind of vehicle.
Sawhorse Saloon.
This is the reason why we come to Autumn Leaf Festival every year, and we always get this. This is a garlic bread bowl. Has pasta, red sauce, garlic bread, and the garlic bread is hollowed out for the sauce and the pasta. So this is what we get every year. We come here, and that's why we keep coming back. We'll talk to you after a bit.
Yeah. How did you pick the capacitor made?
It's made. They were only like that was lucky. It'd come out the back, and then they had that Mr. Fusion device that they threw junk and beer cans and pop and beer. And
at the end of it, they said, "Well, we're going. We don't need roads."
I can't. My tires don't do that yet.
Okay, we are back. Bonnie and I have just taken our tour of the Autumn Leaf Festival. And we're gonna do a little bit more riding here before we go home. So like I said before, I hope you enjoy today's content. And if you would, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, like and share if you would, please. And I want to start adding a new phrase to my ending here, and it's called "Enjoy the Ride." And I've been kind of commenting on that. All the comments that I give people, I put at the end, "Enjoy the ride." And that just doesn't go for riding motorcycles. I'm talking about the ride through life. You know, just enjoy everything around you and the moments that you have, and because they are too few and far between, and you never know what's going to happen in the future. So enjoy the ride on your motorcycle, but also enjoy the ride in through life. So that'll be all till next time. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed today, because I enjoyed bringing it to you. And until next time, we'll see you out here in the road. Any final thoughts, Monty?
Nope.
All right, take care, folks. Be safe out there.